In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute signals from Telegram to MT4 or MT5 automatically. To make this work, you'll use a trade copier. Think of it as a bridge that reads messages from your Telegram channels and instantly converts them into orders inside MetaTrader. There are two main ways to do it. First, cloud-based copiers run on external servers. So here is nothing to install on your computer, and you typically don't need a VPS. A popular example is Telegram FX Copier, which can parse many message formats, even images, and fire trades in milliseconds. This route is great if you want speed, uptime, and minimal maintenance. Second, local or EA-based copiers are expert advisors that you load directly into your MetaTrader terminal. Tools like Trading Connector listen for signals from your Telegram channels via a desktop app and forward them into MT4 or MT5. This gives you local control, but does require your computer or a VPS to stay on and connected during market hours. Now, let's walk through the general setup you'll see across most tools. Start by connecting Telegram. Inside the copier's interface, authenticate your Telegram account using your number and a secure code so the tool can read messages from the channels you already follow. Only grant access to software you trust and review the permissions it requests. Next, configure MetaTrader. Open MT4 or MT5. Go to Tools, then Options, and select the Expert Advisors tab. Enable Allow Web Request for listed URL and add https://api.telegram.org. This lets MetaTrader securely communicate with Telegram's API when needed. Also enable Allow Algorithmic Trading so the copier's EA can place, modify, and close trades on your behalf. If you are using a local solution, install the provided Expert Advisor by dragging it onto a single chart in your terminal. Keep auto trading turned on and leave just one instance running to avoid duplicate orders. Make sure your terminal remains open and connected whenever you expect signals to execute. Then set your risk management inside the copier's settings. Choose fixed lots or a percentage of account risk. And define your stop loss and take profit. Keep these aligned with your strategy and your broker's rules and avoid over-leveraging. Small, consistent risk often works best. Finally, link your Telegram channels. Select the specific channels the copier should monitor for trades. Confirm you are subscribed and that the message format is consistent so the parser can extract symbol direction and levels accurately. Once everything is connected, the copier will listen in real time and translate valid signals straight into MT4 or MT5. Monitor the first few trades to confirm settings, and you are all set. Thanks for watching.